If you need to close your Vrbo account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or closure. This may be labeled as close account or delete account. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Click on the account closure option and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account and to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, you will receive a confirmation message. Ensure you check your email for any final confirmation from Vrbo regarding the closure of your account. Once you've completed these steps, your Vrbo account will be closed. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.